we are going to see the difference between landscape and portrait. Like this is already in portrait, which means it's straight. When you mean landscape, you come up to orientation, you see how they are. Landscape, you can see it's more wider, but portrait is, more matured. Now when you want to illustrate it graphically, you can see you just look at this. This is portraiture when you talk of portrait. So this is portrait. Now when you want to say of landscaping, you come up landscape. You can see this is landscape. So you can see that this and this are not the same. Landscape have, a form where the widths are now more longer. So that is how it goes.